solve this equation involving a rational or fraction exponent, we're going to get that expression, in this case at x to the 3 over 2, by itself on one side. So we're going to start by adding 25 to both sides. And then we'll go ahead and divide both sides by 5 to get that x to the 3 over 2 completely by itself. So now in order to get that by itself, we want to raise both sides to a power. And if I have x to the 3 over 2 to a power, I would end up multiplying the exponents. And I want to end up with an exponent of 1 on the x. I want to have x to the first power, which is just x equals some number. So we need to figure out what we can multiply 3 over 2 by to get 1. And the answer would just be its reciprocal, or just flip it over. So we want to raise both sides to the 2/3 power. So on the left here, that again I'm going to multiply exponents, and the 3 over 2 times 2/3 would just be 1. So I just have x. On the right I have 5 to the 2/3 power. Another way to think of that is in terms of a radical, and this is that 2 is indicating the power, so it's 5 squared. And the 3, the denominator of the fraction, is indicating the index on the radical. So this is a cube root of 5 squared, or a cube root of 25. Really, any of these forms are acceptable. I'll go ahead and leave it in this form of the cube root of 25 for my solution.